Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, we are on the four-wheeler this morning. We have got 3 days straight of rain. And yesterday when I was going across that creek, it was already getting pretty angry by the time that we went and got the kids home from school early. So I'm kind of curious to see what it's going to look like this morning. So I figured I'd take you guys on a ride with me, kind of check out the property and see what it looks like after all this snow is melted. And we got 3 days of straight rain, some of it freezing. You can see some of the snow still piled up there from where I plowed on that video on Come On Homesteading. So let me flip y'all around and we'll take a little ride down to the bad spot and kind of stop along the way and kind of look at it. I'm sure it's going to be raging. The drifter's lane there, it doesn't look real bad right here. There's no water standing and stuff, just a little puddle right there. They still got some snow right there too. This is encouraging. This isn't flowing too hard. Got a little waterfall. Got another one there. This is a little relief hole that I dug to kind of catch some of this water that piled up in this area. And it's completely full too. Still got ice on top of it. And it's not a real cold day today. I got like just a light flannel on and a t-shirt. It's warmed up quite a bit, which I'm glad. Hopefully it'll last for a little while. I don't know how much more rain we got this week coming, but I know it's supposed to rain every day, so we'll see. Well, we're right here at the gate, and you can see it's pretty wide and flowing pretty good, and it's steady feeding down the road to this little cut right here that I made to get to the river right by the gate. Oh yeah, it's gonna be getting it. Favorite spot I always show y'all. Let's see what it looks like with the water up right now. Oh yeah. Tell me that's not beautiful. Yep, the creek is definitely back. According to what the water looks like here, it looks like it's going to be raging pretty good, but it ain't going to be insane, I don't think. It's probably going to be too much to be able to get off the mountain though. Oh yeah, she's flowing. Let's ride. Where I dug this culvert out and this big old deep trench going there, and as you can see, it's flowing through. I put all those big rocks right there to keep, you can see right there where it was starting to erode it away because the water pressure was so much coming through there. Looks like that helped slow it down quite a bit. And on the other side, kind of same thing. I kind of got a big rock there to keep the dirt from kind of closing that off. And it's working pretty good. I had to dig it out with Uber probably about the middle of rainy season. But there's a lot of water that comes up off this old logging road right here. When it's raining hard, this is like a river right here in itself. Oh yeah, it's flowing pretty good. It's still real high right here. We got a lot of rock built up right here. Right here is the actual channel. Then it kind of dives into two different directions right there and makes that a little island. It's flowing pretty decent, but I believe if I had to, I could get off the mountain with no problem. It's not flowing too hard. This is a little bit worse than what it was yesterday when I went through it yesterday evening, so it's already went down quite a bit from all the overnight rain. So that's encouraging. But I don't have nowhere I need to go today. I didn't plan on leaving the mountain yesterday, but the landowner behind me called and I needed to go fill out those papers and stuff to move the land forward. So I ended up going, and then I got the phone call from Mike and them. And man, yesterday ended up being a day. We did go get the new tires on the truck, but when we got there, there was a lot bigger problems. And you can go and hear all about that over there at Drifting Dreamers 5 or Dreaming with Drifters, their vlog channel there. They're actually doing a Dreaming with Drifters today, going in detail of all the stuff that yeah, was broken. So they don't have the truck back yet, so head over there and check those guys out and get the details, because it was crazy. Ended up turning it into 15 minutes to town to sign some papers. To I got back at about 4:30 yesterday, 5 o'clock. So ended up being an adventure for sure, but we filmed a lot of it. But today I'm just going to enjoy some of this beauty and work on that review video for you guys. Working on that today. I did put out a Come On Keeping It Real yesterday and a Come On Homesteading video yesterday, so go check those out. Make sure you subscribe, all of that good YouTube stuff, and have a good day, guys. Do something nice for somebody. Take a step closer to your goals, and enjoy nature. She's beautiful. All right, guys, keep it real.